Hey everyone, my name is Paul and today I'm going to take all the plastic off my scooter. Chinese scooter plastic gets brittle with age, so duct tape holds the panels together better than screws sometimes. And you thought it was only for taping ducts together. The leg shield fairing has 6 Phillips head screws holding it onto the front fairing. There should be a couple more screws at the bottom of the panel. Remove 2 large Phillips head screws from the chrome trim. One more big screw holds the front panel on. Use a 10mm socket to remove 3 bolts from the front fender. The Eagle's eyes have lights, so I'll need to unplug them. Pro tip, pulling back the right side panel will give you access to the spark plug. The plastic floor has 4 more bolts holding it down. Now I can remove the leg shield fairing. 2 more bolts hold on the lower dirt catcher. It's full of dirt. Let's remove the battery from the scooter now. The seat compartment is held in by 2 nuts and 2 bolts. The grab handles and rear rack need to come off next. The bolts are different lengths, so keep track of them. I'm disconnecting the seat latch cable, then unplugging the rear light connectors. Finally, remove the 2 bolts at the back of the fender and the entire rear plastic will come off the scooter. 3 more bolts hold the inner fender. This part is very important because it keeps dirt and water off your engine. And this is what a scooter looks like with no body panels. The CDI, starter solenoid, wiring harness, and exhaust are on the right side. The air filter, transmission, and fuel pump are on the left side. The gas tank is in the floor of the scooter. The voltage regulator, horn, and turn signal flasher are up front. Well, my scooter's in pieces, so now what? I'm doing some off-road modifications, so if you want to see what I'm up to, check out the next video.